Welcome to this tutorial where we will quickly create our countries view. Now, what I want you to notice is that if I hover my mouse above this edit post and keep your eye here on the URL that will be displayed here, alright? So here is it. As you can see, /posts/edit. We've not worked it out at the background. It's still carrying the post routes. So to sort that out, we'll just go to this. We'll go to views, resources, views, countries. We're looking at the view. All right, so the view, we simply sort something out, which is not a post title, it's country name, the name of the country. All right, but before then, I want us to sort it out on the controller first. So we'll go to our controllers, we're looking for view. So if somebody passes view request here with an ID of the country, it should just find the country and render it to the view. Okay, so it works well. So if we go to our view, where are we? We go to our view, we can say country name, which means if I come here and refresh, we should see the name of this country appear here. As you can see, Abracadabra country. And then the next thing we're looking for is the country code. Okay, so we don't need the username or anything. So we just need the country code. So I can just duplicate this and call it country code. Country code, alright? So we don't need the date it was created at or anything. So we don't need post body. Okay, so if I come here and refresh, as you can see, Abracadabra QZ, so it lists it, and then post user, all these ones are, this is checking if the guy that created this country is the same guy that owns the country, but it's not necessary because we just copied and pasted. We don't need all this. So we're just going to check if the admin is the one viewing this. So if we delete this, so what we're checking here is if the role of the user is less than 3. Remember when we looked at the roles table in Cake PHP, in Raw PHP, in roles, if you browse roles, you see that there are 3 different roles. Role number 1 is super admin, number 2 is moderator, but number 3 is the normal user. So what we're checking here is if the role of the user is less than 3, which is it's either 2 or 1, which is the person is a super admin or normal user. Only them can see this edit and delete button. See the delete button. Only the admin can see the edit and delete button. So we don't want normal users creating this. Is just an extra security measure. Which means these are roles. Every user has a role. So if we go to users and we go to browse, we will see that every user has a role. Alright, okay, and then every user has a country ID. We'll still sort it out such that if every user has a country ID, from this country table we can see users that are in this country. So we'll still sort it out in the next video, where we can be able to display users that are under this country. Alright, teaches you relationships in Raw PHP, and of course it's exactly the same relationship in Laravel. Alright, if you are good with Cake PHP, you can use Cake PHP's relationships too. Okay, so this sorts out our problem, and then see you in the next video, where we'll quickly sort out the relationship matter. But then before then, we will quickly sort out the edit page, because apart from creating a country, you should be able to edit it and delete it too. Alright, so see you.